Stop scrolling. Stop scrolling. Small creators use this sound. So, what I want you to do, all small creators out there, use this sound only if you're under 100 subscribers and close to it. I'm at 95 subscribers. If you guys like and subscribe and use this sound, small creators only, I will go to your YouTube channel, see your subscribers. If you have over 100 subscribers, I will subscribe, and I'll make sure my friends subscribe for everyone who uses this sound. I will comment on your video if your comments are on, and subscribe to your channel and like the video. So small creators use this sound. I will make sure that my mom, my dad, and my friends and all that will subscribe to your channel. You will have a lot of subscribers, and yeah. Bye guys, like and subscribe.